Targus presents the world's first enterprise-class universal docking station to deliver 4K on 4 extended displays. Meet the new Targus Dock 570. Thanks to Targus Dock 570, you'll get superb picture quality at your workstation, and with 4 extended displays, a massive workspace at your fingertips. Your workstation has never been more powerful than with a high-performance quad-monitor dock that supports 4K on all 4 displays. The 8 available video output ports allow you to decide between DisplayPort or HDMI display options to ensure compatibility for your configuration. 4 USB 3.0 ports makes it easy to customize workspaces with the latest keyboards, external drives, and other essential peripherals. Efficient charging is close at hand with the powered USB 3.0 port for keeping your smartphone, tablet, or other devices powered up and ready to go. Targus Dock 570 offers 100-watt USB power delivery on PD 2.0, so you can power laptops and larger devices through your dock. Targus Dock 570 comes equipped with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, as well as Targus's exclusive charging solution that uses legacy charging tips to power a variety of major laptops. Your most advanced workspace configurations become easy with compatibility across virtually any laptop, including Thunderbolt 3, DisplayPort Alt Mode, USB 3, 3.1, and Type-C devices. Maximize your performance with Targus Dock 570.
Introducing the USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 TBT3 UDC3 docking station. Connect dual monitors up to 4K 60 Hz to your Thunderbolt 3 laptop. Fully charge your 16-inch MacBook Pro in only 110 minutes with 100-watt power delivery. Expand your potential with a set of versatile and high bandwidth ports, 2 USB-C ports at 10 gigabits per second, 1 USB-A port at 10 gigabits per second, and 2 USB-A ports at 5 gigabits per second. Maneuver the internet quickly with the included Gigabit Ethernet for USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 laptops of today and USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 laptops of the future. The next generation of docking stations, Plugable's TBT3 UDC3.
The new Targus Dock 430. Using USB-C alternate mode technology, this dock is compatible with a wide variety of the latest Type-C devices: Windows 10, Mac OS, iPad OS, Android including DeX, Linux, and many thin client operating systems supporting alt mode. Forget about drivers. Targus Dock 430 delivers crisp, clear native video. With 2 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.0 port, you're able to customize your workstation to fit any needs. However, if you're really screen real estate hungry and your computer allows it, you can plug in a 3rd monitor, making this setup a true powerhouse. With 85-watt power delivery and a USB-A fast charging port, Targus Dock 430 is perfect to power your laptop and keep your devices charged and ready to go. Targus Dock 430 also comes packed with all the connections you need. Featuring a combination of USB-C, USB-A, Gigabit Ethernet, and audio, Dock 430 is the key to a more powerful, secure, and productive workstation. The rubberized padded bottom protects against scratches, while the VESA mounting provision allows for use of the Targus VESA mount bracket to hold your dock behind your display. Targus Dock 430, the most versatile alt-mode USB-C docking station.